Alright guys, Amps here today. Assassin's Creed 4 gameplay for you guys. Sorry I haven't been uploading shit. And now I will present you guys Assassin's Creed 4 pistol swords. Now let me just go find some people. I hope the camera doesn't fall. Alright. It comes with like 2 or 3 new animations. Alright. Hope it does it. No, it didn't do it that time. See, there you go, the pistol sword. It shoots them. And it does not use any up of your pistol ammo. It doesn't use your pistol ammo. And I would have never found this out with my friend Tyler that came over. If you want to know how to get these, you have to do all the Assassin's contracts. Yeah, hit RB, Assassin's contracts, right there, third one on the bottom. You have to do it on certain islands, only certain ones have it. And once you complete those, I'm letting you know, some of them are kind of difficult. Honestly not. If you're experienced with Assassin's Creed, they're not really difficult at all. But they're really fun to do. And you get these sexy swords. They're the best sword in the game. They're just like the 14,000 sword. See, you shoot them. Just had to show you guys this. Alright. Go find a couple more people to show you. This, by the way, if you want to know what this all black outfit is, the privateer outfit. I think it costs 8,000. Get why it doesn't shoot.